Hey, yo, what's good, man? I'm out here, I'm in Anaheim, California, you know what I'm saying? Cali, look at that. I'm in California, look at that. Yeah. This shit crazy, man. I'm right across the street from Disneyland. That shit that way. It's bright as hell out here, though. I'm just walking. Look, this is my homie right here, Jeffrey. Say what's up, Jeffrey.
What's up?
I just met my man out here, yo. He from Tennessee, man. We out here in California living it.
Getting out of my own.
So, yeah, man. I want to get back. Just wanted to take a walk real quick. I'm gonna go take a shower and shit. Cause we just touched down.
That first shower, actually, like getting a hotel room and such. I was actually living in the car for like 2 weeks before I got settled in here.
Okay, damn.
Finally getting that shower in, oh my god. It's like a religious experience.
Yeah, man, it's real good, yo. That shower clean you off after all that,
A real thick layer of funk.
Yeah, man. Being in the car all cooped up for days and days and all that.
Dude, my ride still smells like feet. It's rough.
Oh shit, look, they got a cheesecake factory right down the street, y'all. Look at that. Cheesecake factory right down the street.
There's a bunch of good eats down here, man. But this
Milliard. That's your turn?
Yeah,
all right, man. Yeah, you have a good one, homie.
Well,
look, I don't know what that is over there, but it's all blocked off. Cheesecake factory. My man told me about the dispensary. He said it's like 4 miles away. It's called Tropicana with 2 N's. You know, I'm trying to hit that shit up. Like, I was hoping to find one that I could just walk to real quick, like it was one down the street, but that shit 4 miles away, B. It's just good. Look at that California pizza kitchen.